Device pairing. Step 1. Download and install the Smart Life app. Log in or create your account. Step 2. If the device has not been connected yet, the LCD of the pair mode will display uncon and the signal not connected icon flashes. If the device has already been connected, the LCD of the pair mode will display the current time. Long press the button until the display turns to uncon. Step 3. Click plus and add device through Smart Life app. Pair the Restmo BT water flow meter. Step 4. Plug the hub to a USB-A adapter which close to your router. Long press the pair button to activate the hub pairing mode. Step 5. Open Smart Life app, click plus button, select Add Device. Click the hub icon and follow the app instructions to complete pairing.